Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, your phone with PUBG Mobile and the PC or web client where you want to sign in. Open the PUBG sign-in page and select the QR code option right away so the code is visible. On your phone, make sure the PUBG app is open and you are on the home or settings screen that allows account actions. This saves time. Once done, position the phone camera so it can easily scan the code from your monitor. Now you actively scan. In PUBG Mobile, go to Settings, then Account, and choose Link Device or the QR scan tool. This opens the phone camera. Point the camera steadily at the PC's QR code and wait for the app to recognize it. You'll get a preview or pop-up. Tap Confirm or Authorize when prompted so the PC and phone can exchange login tokens. Make sure you accept any permission requests, and double-check the account name shown before proceeding to avoid linking. Finish by approving the link on your phone and then watch the PC client finalize the sign-in. Launch the game to confirm your account loaded. If the scan fails, adjust screen brightness, clean the camera lens, or move the phone closer. Resizing the browser or refresh the QR often helps. If problems persist, restart the PUBG app or web page and generate a new QR, or use an alternative sign-in method as a fallback. This ensures you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.